Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Sulganic Life channel. Today, we're declaring war on boring lawns. We're talking lush veggie patches bursting with flavor, all starting right where that tired grass sits. And guess what? We're doing it the lazy gardener way, no backbreaking work, no confusing chemicals, just pure magic. Let's face it, traditional gardens can feel like a chore. But what if I told you there's a way to grow fresh, healthy food that practically grows itself? That's where the lazy gardener's secret weapon comes into play. It's the sheet mulch method. First things first, we gotta say bye to that overgrown grass. But don't worry, we're not going all villainous with harsh chemicals. We're smothering it with love. Love in the form of cardboard. Cardboard cuts off sunlight, like a gentle giant saying no more to thirsty grass. Plus, as it breaks down, it feeds the soil with awesome nutrients, a win-win. See? Easy as pie. Now, on top of this cozy cardboard blanket, we're gonna sprinkle some more love. Compost is like a spa day for your soil, packed with all the goodness your future veggies will crave. And the best part? No need to become a compost-making master. Most garden centers have fantastic bags ready to go. Now that our lawn is chillin' under a luxurious layer of cardboard and compost, it's planting time. But wait, there's more good news for lazy gardeners. We're planting veggie superstars. These are the low-maintenance champions, practically growing themselves. Tomatoes, peppers, zucchini, these guys are the MVPs of the veggie patch. Just a little hole in the compost, a sprinkle of seeds, some occasional water, and then, magic happens. And that's it. Seriously, that's all you gotta do. Now you can kick back, relax, maybe even work on that tan while your veggie patch does all the heavy lifting. See? Told you it was easy. And the best part of all? The taste of these homegrown veggies blows away anything you can get at the store. It's pure garden magic. So, ditch the boring lawn and embrace the lazy gardener lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more hacks to get the most out of your garden with minimal effort. Don't forget to leave a comment below, letting me know what lazy gardening tricks you use. Until next time, happy growing!